Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 6 again, and today we'll practice and we'll see that the letter vowel and choti as consonants, how they work as consonants. Okay, so I write some of the words for you here, then we'll study them. Okay, so here are some words with some diacritical marks you can see here. So the first one, it has wow, ray, zay, and sheen. Wow has a diacritical mark over it. It is called zabar sign. Then ray has a jazm sign over it. It is also called a sukoon sign. Zay has, it has a diacritical mark under it, and sheen has the same diacritical mark, jazm sign. Okay, and this whole word is called warzish. Then the next one has waw, ray, alif, say, and te, and waw has a diacritical mark under it, and it gives us v sound, and ray has a zabar sign over it. It gives us ra sound, and say has a zabar sign over it. It is called sa, and te has a jazm sign, and the whole word would be ve, ra, sa, te. Ta sound at the end. Okay, so the whole word would be virasat. Okay, then the next word is, it is called yar. In parentheses, it's you can see there the alphabets which are used in this word. Ye with the diacritical mark over it, alif has a jazm sign over it, a sukoon sign, and ray. Okay, so the word is called yar. And the last one is, it has mud sign over alif, a sound, it gives us a sound, then ye with zabar sign and alif. So the whole word would be aya. Okay, try writing these words in your notepad and compare them to these words, and also pronounce them aloud. Okay, so that's it for today's session, and wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.